how text-to-speech is transforming the educational landscape. Ever wondered how students with dyslexia and learning difficulties grasp complex concepts? The answer is text-to-speech (TTS) technology. This technology converts text to speech and revolutionizes the traditional approach to learning. From eliminating language barriers and improving comprehension to helping disabled students, TTS software makes education accessible for everyone. The technology generally integrates with smart speakers, virtual assistants, and independent applications. With the growing adoption of AI-based tools across industries, TTS has become the new face of modern education. You can leverage this innovation to offer customized learning and support. In this blog post, I discuss the multiple ways TTS is rapidly transforming the educational landscape. How is TTS reshaping education? Whether it's physical classrooms or online training programs, the ability to transform text into speech makes education more accessible. The speech is basically an AI voice generated using natural language processing, NLP, deep learning, DL, and machine learning, ML. Universities have started integrating TTS software into their learning programs to address unique learning styles. K-12 schools rolling out one-to-one technology programs can similarly enhance accessibility by pairing each student device with TTS.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
TTS software, ensuring every learner benefits from personalized audio instruction. Let's understand the ways TTS technology is making it possible. Personalizing the learning experience. Text-to-speech learning programs offer a range of options to customize course modules. This ensures students get full control of their learning process and benefit the most from a program. The personalized learning experiences take place in the following ways. Adjusting pace. Students can set the reading and dictation pace of the module according to their convenience. You can also personalize the voice, pitch, and accent of the TTS assistant for enhanced punctuation and engagement. This fosters a student-friendly learning environment. Diversity. Students with dyslexia, visual impairment, and autism can benefit immensely from this technology. For instance, a dyslexic might respond better to auditory content delivery. Auditory inputs eliminate the effort required to decode complex texts and concepts through reading. The AI voice simplifies texts while speaking, enabling students to visualize and understand multiple topics without needing any specialized learning plan. Assessment. Using TTS software, teachers ensure complete consumption of modules. The advanced algorithms identify a student's weak areas by analyzing their progress report and conducting frequent tests. This helps in customizing study materials to improve learning and reduce cognitive overload. For example, the IBM Watson Education Platform integrates the IBM Watson TTS to help educators create an engaging learning environment. Teachers can present modules in multiple languages, accents, and customized voices. This enhances accessibility for students with distinct educational preferences. Boosting engagement and comprehension. Students tend to avoid complex concepts. But by reinforcing reading comprehension through TTS technology, they can overcome traditional barriers and strengthen their memory. For example, Duolingo, a language learning platform, partnered with Microsoft to integrate AI subsets into their education system. This integration developed personalized text-to-speech voices to enhance the learning experience with quick and bite-sized lessons. To further enhance accessibility and user convenience, many educational platforms are now incorporating QR code generators. These allow students to instantly access TTS-powered lessons, audio guides, or course materials by simply scanning a code on printed books, lecture slides, or classroom walls. It's a simple yet effective way to bridge the physical and digital learning environments, especially for mobile learners or those using shared devices. The primary factors that boost engagement and comprehension are dual sensory. Students are exposed to two senses while engaging with spoken educational content, i.e., auditory and visual. This multisensory approach provides individuals with various concepts, ideas, and sentence formats with simplified phrases. This also improves the grasping power of students to learn new words and adapt correct punctuation. Focus on meaning. Textbooks accessed with TTS technology reduce the effort of decoding texts and recognizing words. This helps students understand the topic's root meaning and real context faster. For instance, AI-powered TTS assistants decode complex mathematical theorems and scientific terminologies to promote STEM learning and maximize engagement. Fluency. Making accurate pronunciation, phrasing, and intonation accessible improves reading fluency. This auditory model aids comprehension, which increases students' confidence in applying new vocabulary while speaking and writing. By improving their reading fluency, students become independent to engage in self-directed learning and understand course materials. Expanding educational opportunities and applications. The auditory access to textbooks and study materials promotes inclusivity regardless of distinct learning difficulties. TTS-powered education creates equal opportunities for all students, allowing them to participate in every activity. Before discussing the educational opportunities created through TTS software, let's understand its applications. Accessibility. Audio versions of documents, course books, educational websites, and lesson plans enhance accessibility through synthetic voices. Multilingual. TTS software is equipped to read 100+ languages with accurate pronunciation, enhancing the learning experience. Content intake. Audio formats like audiobooks, voiceovers, and podcasts enable you to multitask while listening to a lesson. Because of these applications, the educational landscape has unlocked a sea of opportunities for students. The key opportunities include corporate training. Businesses can deploy TTS technology to reduce workload and enable multitasking. For instance, reading vast datasets like sales reports, compliance documents, and policies through traditional reading is time-consuming. By converting them into speech, trainees can listen and multitask simultaneously. This promotes immersive learning and increases business efficiency. Healthcare. TTS helps aspiring healthcare professionals engage with complex materials like medical records and research through audio-based access. At the system level, hospitals and clinics also implement TTS in healthcare phone systems to support multilingual patient communication, including appointment reminders, test results, and care instructions. Legal training. Senior lawyers convert legal paperwork into a spoken format to train new advocates with reading difficulties. The advanced algorithm interprets tough legal terms to bridge the gap between sophisticated content and user-friendly audio. This eliminates bias in the training process and improves productivity. Although TTS streamlines training processes and provides a tailored learning experience, you must not overlook the challenges it poses. Let's explore the challenges and considerations. Addressing challenges and considerations. Despite its advanced features, TTS is inefficient in some areas, which degrades the learning experience. The key challenges include challenges. Content quality. TTS can fail to generate a human-like voice due to inadequacies in its algorithm. This can result in mispronunciation of words and a lack of natural intonation, harming student engagement. Over-reliance. Since TTS technology simplifies topics and decodes complex concepts, students can get over-dependent on the technology. This encourages students to ignore traditional reading, which harms their literacy growth. Training. Both teachers and students require training to use TTS software to its full potential. Without proper training, they might underutilize the software and make the integration meaningless. Budget constraint. The integration of TTS technology requires existing devices and a stable internet connection. Schools in remote areas lack devices, strong internet connectivity, and a sufficient budget. Considerations. Balance. Technological advancements are supposed to complement traditional methods, not replace them. You should integrate TTS as an additional solution and focus on developing reading and comprehension skills. Licensing. Ensure compliance with educational regulations to help the software manage multiple content formats and promote an uninterrupted learning process. Personalization. Choose the right TTS software that generates speech in multiple languages. This will guarantee diverse learning opportunities and enable students to adjust the voice, speed, and accent.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.